95% of newbie traders that come into the market normally make one simple mistake. Now, I know that you are probably a newbie trader and you've probably seen the market. Some markets go up, some markets go down, and you just don't know where to put yourself inside the middle of all of this. And this normally leads a lot of you to make some simple mistakes that could be avoided. And now one of these mistakes is not understanding what a currency correlation is and how exactly you can use it in your favor. So in this video, I'm going to be doing my very best to show you what a currency correlation is and how you can use it to your very advantage. So stay tuned, and at the end of this video, I promise you, you're going to get something out of it. Let's get straight into it. So now, the very first thing that you're going to have to understand, if you must understand correlations, is the issue of base and quote currencies. Now, what I have here on my screen are two different currency pairs. This is USD CHF and this is Euro USD. Now, on the part of USD CHF, USD here is the base currency and CHF here is the quote currency. And on the part of Euro USD, Euro is the base, USD is the quote. Now, if USD CHF was to maybe be in an uptrend, right? Now note, being that the USD is on the base and then USD CHF is in an uptrend, it means that Euro USD, where USD is on the quote, is going to be in a downtrend. Now, why is this? Now, this is because in Forex, the buying of a particular currency means the simultaneous selling of the other currency. So if USD is being bought massively across the board by investors and hedge funds and banks, it means that Euro is going to be weak against the USD. Now, this is excluding some issues of fundamental analysis and some other things like that, like tensions in the Middle East and all of those things that could affect this thing. But 90 to 80% of the time, this is normally what happens in the market, whereby an asset that has USD on the base currency may be buying, and then an asset that has USD on the quote currency is going to be selling, because that is exactly how the market is built to work. Now, just to show you a very quick example of what I am talking about. All right, just to show you a very quick example, this is USD CHF on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that USD CHF has been in this uptrend, and USD CHF just recently broke structure with this large bearish moves that you can see here. So it's expected that USD CHF is going to be trading lower at least till we get to this area here of 78,500 and below. Now, this is what USD CHF looks like, and I'm going to show you exactly what Euro USD looks like, just in line with everything that we just said right now. So you can see this Euro USD, and you can see that it is the inverse of what we saw on USD CHF. You can see that we have this downtrend, and not just that, you can see that Euro USD also has broken out of this current structure. You can see that very beautiful retest there, and the target is up there. Now, the point I'm trying to make is this: you have no business buying Euro USD and USD CHF at the same time. Why? Because they are inversely correlated. Now, if you want to buy a pair that has USD in the base, then you are going to be selling every other pair that has USD in the quote. For example, you buy USD CHF, you sell Euro USD. You buy USD JPY, you sell GBP USD, and so on and so forth. So if you are buying EU, you are going to be selling USD CHF, but also you can also buy EU and buy GBP USD. You can buy Euro USD and you can buy AUD USD, because why? They are directly correlated, just as we can have this correlation between oil and the US stocks, whereby if oil is falling, the United States stocks are going to be rising, and vice versa, right? So you cannot be buying one and then buying the other one at the same time. It's not going to work. At least 80 to 90% of the time, that does not happen. So backtest this and apply it to your personal trading strategy, and let me know what you find in the comment section. I'll be very happy to hear your reviews. Happy trading.